it's Kathleen, and I want to tell you about 2 ways to provide feedback efficiently. I'm going to tell you about 2 Google Chrome extensions that I believe will help you save time when it comes to leaving comments on students' work. The first Chrome extension is Google Keep. So Google Keep has a lot of features, but we're just going to go into the ones that help with commenting. So if you go to your search engine, you can just type in Google Keep. It'll take you to a page that looks like this, and you'll just press Try Google Keep, and you'll select Chrome. And then from there, when it loads, it'll ask you to add the extension. My extension has already been added, so mine just says Launch App at this point. Once you get into Google Keep, it will look a little something like this. Right now, I have some example notes or comments here, and an example to-do list, which we're not going to get into, but just to kind of demonstrate that as well. But something that I've noticed I've been doing frequently is just writing similar types of comments over and over again on my students' work. So if I wanted to just have a comment readily available that I can copy and paste, what I would do is I would just put that note here. So I could say something just like nice work. Now again, that's not great feedback, it's just an example. Now if you wanted to add an image or something, you can add that. You can also change the color of your note if you'd like to keep things color coded, and then the image, you go here and find it in your computer. But once you have your comment ready to go, you just press close and it would pop up here. So again, you can also notice I put labels on my notes so that all the sticker ones would be together, the to-dos, which is my checklist, all the ones that have to do with writing would be together to make them easier to find for myself later. So these are going to show up anytime you're in a doc or another Google app for education that you want to leave a feedback on. So you would just highlight like you normally do wherever you want to leave feedback and press on the comment button. Once you do that, you'll go over here to the right. You'll notice this is your Google Keep right here. It's a yellow square with a light bulb. When you click there, you'll notice that you have the different comments that you made showing up. Now, if there are any that are super important that you use a lot, you might want to pin them to the top so they'll stay there. Those, because these will be more frequently used ones. So say I wanted to use a comment. All I do is click there, and what I've been doing is just kind of copying, and pasting, and then leaving the comment. Now again, you can add to that if you wanted to. If there's something specific for the student that's not in the pre-made comment, you would add that as well. And then things like the sticker I made, well, I didn't make the sticker, but the sticker comment that I made, that you would actually, it would not be able to be left in a comment. You would just have to find where you wanted it to be added in the doc, and then you would just go to right here, the 3 dots menu, and then you just go to add to document, and it would actually put it right into the document instead of on the side. So that is Google Keep, kind of a quick overview, just to go over that. And then there are some more features and notes down here that you can learn more about Google Keep. And then I just learned about Mote, that Chrome extension today actually, and I'm really excited about it because it's a way that you can leave like a 1-minute audio recording comment for your students. So again, you would just go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Mote. You'll notice they do have some screenshots and a little tutorial as well there about Mote. Once you have it downloaded onto your computer, whenever again you go to leave a comment, you would highlight again, and you'll notice now there's the M here for Mote because it is on my computer, and it says click to start recording up to 60 seconds max. So you would just click here. I always pause a second before I start the recording to make sure it doesn't cut the beginning off. And then when you're finished, you'll either press done here or the purple button itself. Okay, so first it's going to think. You can press comment and it's going to transcribe it. So it's actually going to put what was said. Now again, sometimes there are errors with that. So you can definitely edit that as well if it needs to be edited. You can also, there's the edit button to demonstrate. So if you notice the word was misspelled or something, you could add it. I'm just going to add that as an example, press update, and it will be added to the note. So your students will be able to read it if you have transcribed selected, or they can just play the actual audio. I always pause a second before I start. Okay, so if you do not want the transcriptions to be on here, you do not have to have them on there. That is an option. So if you do not want them on there, on the top right of your screen, mine might be cut off right now, I'm not sure if it's showing up, but you'll see in your toolbar like that purple M in the circle. So you would go up there, and where it says voice transcription, you can turn it off. So if you want it just to be the audio without any transcription of what was said. Right now it's just set to English transcriptions, but it looks like sometime this month they might be adding more languages, which would be great for students in ELL courses. So those are two things I thought would be helpful. It would save time instead of retyping the same comment over and over again, or instead of just typing in general, if audio would be easier for you.